Assign pump attendants to nozzles for accurate forecourt operations. Pump attendant mapping begins in the Masters module to establish operational accountability. The Masters menu organizes core system configurations and foundational station data. The pump attendant mapping dashboard displays current assignments and active status for all personnel. Selecting a pump identifies the specific fueling unit for this assignment. The nozzle selection defines which specific fueling point the attendant will manage. Attendant selection assigns a verified employee to the designated hardware. Status confirms if the mapping is currently active for live forecourt operations. Saving the record enforces the link between the staff member and the fueling equipment. The View Pump interface provides a comprehensive overview of asset performance and history. Pump details display hardware specifications, serial numbers, and installation data for maintenance tracking. The pump nozzle section lists all associated fueling points and their current operational health. The Transaction tab logs every sale to ensure financial transparency and volume accuracy. Each entry records the product type, selling price, and the exact volume dispensed. The Pump TXN summary aggregates shift data to simplify daily reconciliation processes. Service requests track reported issues to minimize equipment downtime and maintain service levels. Each request includes priority levels and assigned personnel for accountability. The maintenance log archives all technical interventions to monitor the total cost of ownership. Documents store digital manuals or compliance certificates related specifically to this pump. Notes allow for contextual remarks regarding specific operational events or hardware observations. Submitting a note attaches a permanent time-stamped record to the asset history. The activities log audits every system change to ensure data integrity and security. This centralized mapping ensures precise labor tracking and optimizes forecourt asset management. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.